Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Today is a very important day for Chinese people. If you're here in China, you're likely to see most of the barbers are full and there might be a long queue in most of the hair salons. You might be wondering, am I picking out the worst day to get a haircut? Well, yes and no. You've got the perfect day to get your hair styled or get a new haircut. But you might have hoped that you had booked that reservation, if not days, weeks, actually months ahead. So you get yourself a nice haircut on this day. Because today is what we call 二月二龙抬头. Traditionally, Chinese people say 二月二剃龙头一年都有精神头. So if you chose this day to get a new haircut, you will get a fresh spirit all year round. That symbolizes good luck and speaks of good omen. That's why we chose this day to get a new haircut. I might get one after this show. So you might be wondering, so what this day actually is? You said 二月二. What does 二月二 mean? Well, today is the second day of the second month on the lunar calendar, and this year it falls on Sunday. That's 二月二, 二月的第二天. So this day is traditionally known as the Spring Plowing Day or Spring Dragon Day. It is a good time to send your offerings and sacrifices to the Dragon King and pray for a good harvest year round. So the Dragon King would reign and you will get a great spring plowing. In Chinese culture, the Dragon King is in charge of raining. So whenever there has been a drought all year round or in some, occasional year, and the villagers will always, the peasants will always pray for rain to the Dragon King. There you go. So 二月二, the second day of the February, Dragon King will raise his head. So that's why we're saying it. I hope you can take that opportunity and, maybe squeeze in and still get a nice, sharp, good-looking haircut. If you like this video, give me a like and feel free to share it with your friends. And follow me, you will get more news on Chinese language or Chinese culture. I'm Stephanie. I wish you guys a brilliant day, and I'll see you with a new hairstyle. Bye-bye.